So you've written the next bestseller. But what if someone else has written the next bestseller too? Can copyright help to protect your work? Australian copyright law provides authors with exclusive rights over their creations. But what can be protected by copyright? Copyright protects the original expression of ideas in material form. A novel is an expression in print or writing and is a literary work under the Copyright Act. Literary does not refer to a particular quality or standard of work and can mean a novel expressed in ordinary language. In order to attract copyright protections, registration is not required. Copyright subsists in literary work upon its creation, provided that the work is original. This means your novel must be your own intellectual effort and not simply copied from another work, and that there is a connection with Australian law. This is satisfied if, for example, the first publication took place in Australia. While copyright automatically subsists in literary works, the protection copyright offers is narrow. Copyright is primarily concerned with the expression of ideas rather than the ideas themselves. This means that elements of a novel, such as plot lines and themes, are not capable of being protected by copyright. For example, while Herman Melville had copyright over the story of Moby Dick and the way it was written, including his descriptions and sequences of words, he did not have a monopoly over the idea of a story about a whale. A real-world example of this distinction can be seen in Bagent and Random House. In that case, two authors claimed that the best-selling novel The Da Vinci Code by Dan Brown was copied from their novel The Holy Blood and the Holy Grail. The authors sued Random House, publishers of The Da Vinci Code, for copyright infringement. The court held that while the books explored similar themes, copyright law did not protect ideas, theories, and themes. In delivering his judgment, Justice Peter Smith stated, "It is accepted that an author has no copyright in his facts, nor in his ideas, but only in his original expression of such facts or ideas." This is fundamental to copyright law in order to promote the creation of new expression. When ideas belong to all the world, they are free to be built upon by new creators and authors. As the author and copyright holder of a literary work, you are provided with 5 exclusive rights. Your rights are: the right to reproduce the work in material form. This right protects your work from being copied by others. The right to publish the work, which means no one else can make your work available to the public. The right to adapt the work. This prevents others from adapting your novel, such as into a screenplay. The right to perform the work in public. This prevents others from performing your work to members of the public, such as a reading from your novel. And finally, the right to communicate to the public. This protects your work from being made available online by others. A person other than the copyright holder who does or authorises any of the 5 rights exclusive to the copyright holder will be infringing copyright.